here at Chris's house. Access is going to be parking on the street here. Looking at some lawn restoration. While we're out here, I kind of just want to bury these wire. Again, fix these lights, kind of straighten them up. They're already set up on lawn apps. We're going to come out here. Basically what they're looking at is just up along this fence here, kind of maybe aeration there, topping it with some good topsoil, seed, straw, and same thing over here. You can see how it's all washed down. I'm gonna be throwing some topsoil in there, building it up a little bit. A lot of these roots are getting exposed. I recommended tree rings around this tree and this tree over here, so I'm going to be sending that out to them. But yeah, we're just going to be kind of top dressing that, and then soil, seed, straw, and then going from there.